Today on Cooking with Aemon, we are going to make banana cookies. We are going to use cranberries, bananas, chocolate chips, oats, and peanut butter. Preheat your oven to 350. We are going to use bananas, and now we're going to peel them and put them into the bowl and mash them. We will add some peanut butter and then mash all of it up. We will add 1 cup of oats and stir it up. We will add half a cup of raisins and then add half a cup of chocolate chips. Then stir it up. We will put these banana cookie ingredients onto the pan. We will flatten the cookies slightly. Put your cookies in the oven and bake them for 20 minutes.